Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to make a Devil Mii in Mii Maker for the Nintendo Switch. So I can make it have horns, I can make it have eyebrows, so I'll tell you how to do it. So we're going to start from scratch, pick male or female, I don't really care, but I'm going to pick male. So yeah, we start with that. So here's what we do. So the mouth has to be this. I mean, it doesn't have to be. Yeah, it has to be that. It has to be pretty. It has to be sort of big. So the devil has to be skinny, cause I mean that's what I think of devils as. I think of them as skinny and tall. So anyways, this is what we do. So make the eyebrows. So here's what we do. We have to do that, because those are the horns. Yeah. So make their position. Make them go up. Make them do that. Let's make them do that, and let's stretch them out. And so here's what we do. Is we do this. Yeah, but then you have to No, don't do it. Don't do that. But you can do that. Make it go down more, and let's put them a little. Yeah, let's make the skin color. This is the reddest I know of. So you can that's the red sort of thing that you should do. Maybe you should make it a little more stretched out. Yeah, that's good. So this is what you have to do if you want to make a Devil Mii. Yeah, Devil Mii. So let's give it. Actually, never mind. No, this is good. So its favorite color is red because devils are red. So let's make it. So its name is yeah, Devil. Yep, there it is. And that is how you make a Devil Mii. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe me, and I can't wait to see you guys soon again.